No, it's on that. No, the double deckers.
There is no level there, so there's no more track.
Yeah, there is. There's one right there.
It's on this side.
No, it's not. This is a track right here. That's a track.
It's coming on this side.
No, that's on that side.
That's what I meant, that side.
Okay. Let's wait. Wait. Don't have to pull up. There's a bombardier at the front. I mean, the end. I want to go see if there's anything coming on this side. Nope. I think it's on this side. So it's gonna be coming from there. So I can see it go around right around the bend.
Another train coming.
I see, I told you. It's like endless. It can't leave.
Yeah, we're gonna leave. Come on.
Not now. It's 2 more trains. 2 or 3 more trains. Cause that's because that's when they come. They come right after another. It's like endless. There's like no waiting at the station. No waiting. Maybe
we waited a long time before any of the trains came.
You heard that, right?
Yeah, it's coming this way. One is coming over here.
No, that's like far away. How could you? That one. There's like one. Oh, I think this one's. Hold on. Oh, that's that way. It's right there, Dad. Amtrak. That's what that horn was. I think this is track F. People are ready to board, or that's it. But that train left. Oh, I didn't even know it left. Oh, it switched? I didn't know it switched ways. It switched ways to go.
Trains go this way, these trains go that way. This platform only goes that way. Correct? Oh wait, no, this one went that way.
Wait, no, nothing on this side went. Oh yeah, I see it. It's right there. The one.
Train here before.
There's a Port Jervis one right there. I see that. That's the Port Jervis one way down there. That is. I thought I heard something. That's leaving. Well, I'm gonna stop filming until the next train comes, and this is the double decker.